Okay, so you recently inherited a property and you're meeting or thinking about meeting with a real estate professional, real estate agent, realtor, whatever, right? Or even you think about meeting with an investor and you're wondering what's the difference between pricing this property, or is there any difference with pricing it like a traditional sale? In this video, I'll discuss that. My name is Khalid with Probate Property Playbook, and what I do is help families in Essex County navigate the non-legal tasks associated with handling an estate, and I also help you get the most for your property. And that's very key in this video because I'm going to talk about pricing a property that you recently inherited. Without further ado, let's just hop into my theory and my ideology around pricing properties that you've inherited versus pricing a property that you lived in and it's just a traditional home sale, right? Now, in my opinion, a lot of times when I'm handling helping people sell a property that they recently inherited, a lot of the executive and administrator and the beneficiary, they're just worried about not only maximizing the money that they can get from the sale of this property, but selling it fast. So how I price properties is might seem a little um it might seem like it's not in your best interest, but when I explain to people, they usually get it. So what I do is kind of like go ahead and go in and get the appraised value and get the value of what I think we could sell, and then I go a little bit under that. So the thinking behind that is, even though as I'm recording this video in February 2025, we're still in the seller's market in Essex County and Hudson County. And for the foreseeable future, I think it's still going to be busy. However, I like to price these properties. And again, pricing is also determined on the condition on the property, where the property is, and how fast you want to sell it. But usually, when I'm working with people who've recently inherited a property, they want to sell it pretty fast because they want to settle the estate. They want to distribute everybody's piece of the pie, so to speak, right? So when they sell the home, not only do they want to sell it fast, they want to get it done so that everybody can get their piece if there's multiple beneficiaries, and people can kind of start to not move on, but get that process done, right? So I like to price these properties competitively so we can have the most offers kind of flood in, and that way we can in turn get the most for your family's property, if that makes sense, right? And just overall, dealing with a probate sale can be a little different than dealing with a sale of somebody who, just moving down to Florida, retiring, or just moving or downgrading, upgrading, or whatever, because probate properties take a little bit more, they need a little bit more care, right? And a lot more empathy when you're dealing with somebody who probably recently just lost a loved one. So there's also, in regards to pricing a probate property, this the overall sale will have more things included, just as far as like more moving parts. Usually a lot of times there's like an estate sale, which is a sale before the sale. You're selling some of like the personal items out of the property, staging the property. And a lot of times when I work with clients, these properties are in tip top shape, right? Because the owners who you recently inherited properties from kept the property in good shape, right? Maybe that's an Essex County thing. I'm not sure. But it's just the difference between dealing with somebody, and I'll talk about this in my next video, dealing with somebody who's a probate specialist like me, who specialize in helping you navigate this inheritance probate kind of realm, and then help you go forward with the best information that either I know or I'm referring you to a professional who knows, whether that be a tax strategist or whether that be a probate attorney, right? So there's a quick video about pricing strategy and pricing a probate home versus a quote unquote traditional sale. Because what sale is traditional? People have a bunch of different things that they're going through and different reasons as to why they're selling. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are thinking about selling your home that you recently inherited in Essex County, send me a quick text 973-352-7792, and let's set up a time to talk. Thank you.